Hello you guys. So today I'm going to do a haul video, and I've really been looking forward to using bath bombs from Diggy. Yes, I finally have some things from Diggy, and I'm really excited because I've known Jamie for quite a while, and yet I'm ashamed to say this is the first time that I'm going to be trying her products, and I'm really glad to be able to have the opportunity to do so finally, because you know, Jamie's such a wonderful person just in her own right, aside from being the business owner. You know, so that's another reason why I needed to try some of her products. Since I'm on this small business alternative bath and body vendor review thing lately, naturally I would have to almost start with Diggy, because in my opinion anyway, she is one of the first Lushies out there who started making her own bath bombs. And so now I'm going to see if I can pick up this humongous box of stuff, and that's what I'm going to be showing you today. So let me see if I can you guys are going to freak out when you see this box. Okay, I mean, okay, let's see if I can show you. Here are all the things oops, in this box. Okay, first of all, I'm going to show you this close up when I turn the camera around in a minute. I mean, look at these. Now the theme of this box, I'm going to turn the camera around because I'm afraid I'm going to drop the box while I'm showing it to you and trying to wield the camera and everything. So let me turn the camera around. I love the way this was packaged. Can we just appreciate the theme of this box? And I love the cassette tape. So let me open up the paper now and show you what's inside. Here's this Get Diggy with it. I love it. Almost hate to tear the paper, but oh, look at the foil stars she has all over. Oh yes, God yes, I love that. Oh my gosh, how fun. I think this is the second themed box I've ever had in my entire life. This is so awesome. Look at, there's candy in here. Oh my God, it's 80s candy. It's like an 80s theme. I love this. I didn't expect all these extras in here. How cool is this? Loving all the extras in this box. I have to tell people about this product, okay? And it's her Luxe body oil. This particular one is Pretty Piece of Flesh fragrance, okay? And this is handmade. It's made with meadow foam oil, sunflower oil, argan oil, mica, proprietary fragrance and or essential oil blend, argan oil. So look at the bottle and tell me how cool it is. First of all, the bottle itself and the stopper is cool, really cool. I love the shape of the bottle. The label is really cool. The look of this is really cool. I need to turn the camera around to do this justice. So I'm going to put some on, okay? So first I'm going to shake it because I want that lovely rose gold shimmer. I get some in the stopper. All right, and I'm just going to put some on my arm there. I have freckles on my arm. Look at it. And I'm just going to rub it into my arm. All right. Now, the smell is so wonderful. It's like fruity, but it's fruity, but in a sexy way. I mean, and like my arm isn't greasy. I don't know if you can see now. I have dry skin, and it's hard for me to find things that really work to moisturize and, soothe and soften my skin. And this really, really does. It's moisturizing, soothing, and it softens my skin, and it's not greasy, and the shimmer isn't crazy. It's ever so slight. You can see it out in the sun, it's just gorgeous. The actual oil itself is a lovely, lovely consistency. I don't know if you can see it in the dropper. So I'm going to show you in the dropper. It's like a little magic elixir, okay? That's what it is for me, like a little magic elixir. And so I had to share this secret with you. So this is her Luxe body oil, okay? And this one is in the fragrance Pretty Piece of Flesh. It's just wonderful. Really one of the best things I've ever tried. And I've tried a lot of body oils. I've tried a lot of body oil. This is so gorgeous. So there we go. So that's it right there. Now to start with her bath bombs. This one is called Fresh to Death. And it's made with water lilies, water musks, airy ozone notes, orange blossoms, and fig leaves nestled on a bed of silvery birch. It sounds lovely. And this one is called 16th and Collins, and it has the scent of pineapple, salty ocean air, papaya, coconut, kumquat, lime, and lemon essential oils, and a super true tanning oil note. It's wonderful, like in South Beach with a tropical drink in hand. The sun is shining, and yeah. This one's called So Fresh and So Green. It has crisp green notes of freshly cut grass, gardens, sunshine, and rich soil grounded with violet leaf. This one is called Dance Magic Dance. And this one, it has oak moss, violet, lilac, grass, bergamot, and rich soil. It takes you into your very own labyrinth, it says. Who's got the power of hoodoo? You do, it says. I love that. The next one is called Silly Rabbit. And you guessed it, it smells exactly like crunchy, fruity cereal. And the description says, fruity cereal, gummy bears, and creamy vanilla sugar milk. And it smells absolutely delicious. And the next one is called Pretty Piece of Flesh. Look how gorgeous this bath bomb is. This one, it says, is an intoxicating scent of juicy red rooibos tea, tart pomegranate, and black currant bud absolute. It sounds so wonderful, and it smells scrumptious. And here's one of the ones I was really excited for. This one is called Girls Just Want to Have Fun, and it's a house blend of marshmallows fresh from the bag, bubble gum, and dark juicy blueberries sprinkled with pink sugar. It's sure to take you back to the good old days of big hair, don't care. Oh, it sounds wonderful. And this one, I love the song. This one's called Jungle Boogie, And it says, calling all earth lovers. He says, with 3 layers of forest greens, grass tones, sky blue, 2-tone sunshine yellows, and a ton of golden luster. Notes of green cypress, cedarwood, sun-washed foliage, vetiver, and ylang-ylang. Of course, my favorite, my precious, pretty piece of flesh, Luxe body oil, black currant, tart pomegranate, rooibos tea. It's so, so perfect. I love this. Meadow foam, jojoba, and argan oil. So that was my haul for Bomb Diggy products. I mean, I cannot wait. It's just going to be hard deciding which one to take a bath with first. It's between 3, but I think it's going to be the cassette tape, because I am from the 80s. I'm actually a child of the 70s, but you know, in the 80s I was still a teenager, so I definitely remember the gloves. I mean, I had a pair, and I definitely remember all the bracelets I used to wear, and you know, the scarf, and the nose ring, and just you know, all that kind of stuff, and it was really a lot of fun. So I really appreciate the theme of this box. So thanks so much for watching. Thank you, Jamie, for being such a wonderful person and for having such wonderful bath and body products. If you enjoy this video, please like my video by giving me a thumbs up down below, and subscribe to my channel by hitting the subscribe button at the end of this video, and that way you'll be notified whenever I upload a new video. It's either going to be a Lush video, an indie bath and body vendor video, or a psychic video. I upload between 3 and 5 videos every week. Thanks for watching, you guys. We'll talk to you on the next video. Bye-bye.